Hello, today's class is about two input NMOS and CMOS NOR gates. Here I am going to realize the NOR gates using N-channel metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor as well as complementary metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors. So before that, first of all let us know about what is the NOR gate. Here the NOR gate is a digital logic gate that implements logical NOR, nothing but complementing of OR. So it behaves according to the truth table. To the right, a left, a high output, 1 results if both the inputs of the gate are low. So see here, if both the inputs are at logic 0, the output will be at high. So if one or both inputs is high, a output will be at low position. So if any one of the input is high, or if both the inputs are high, the output will be low. I repeat, when both the inputs are at zero potential, the output will be high. If any one of the input is high or both the inputs are high, the output will be zero. So this is all about the truth table and the explanation part of NOR gate. So here the NOR gate means complementing of OR gate. So if you go through the circuit diagram, this is not stick diagram. So circuit diagram of NMOS AND gate as well as CMOS NAND gate. So this is NOR gate, as well as NMOS NOR gate as well as CMOS NOR gate. So under OR operation, under OR operation. So under OR operation in NMOS, the transistor should be connected in parallel. So that's the same thing is replicated here. I am going to connect the transistor enhancement mode transistors in a parallel combination. OR means parallel and AND means series, which we have studied in our NMOS circuit design rules. Okay, the same thing I am going to repeat here. Under NMOS, the OR combination is nothing but placing the transistors A and B in parallel. So similarly, I am going to place A and B parallelly here. So the complementing form is established with the help of depletion MOSFET when VGS is equal to 0. So when VGS is equal to 0, under the depletion mode, it provides a complementing form here. Right? OR operation means A and B should be connected in parallel combination. Next, in going to the CMOS, CMOS is the combination of PMOS as well as NMOS. Okay, we studied that one. So PMOS as well as NMOS. So the NMOS which you have studied at the left side part, this is our NMOS. Under NMOS in OR operation, A and B should be connected in parallel. So A and B the same thing are connected in parallel. So PMOS is the complementing of this one NMOS. So here parallel combination is connected. So in PMOS it should be in series. So that's the reason A and B are connected in series. I repeat, in under NMOS OR operation, A and B are connected in parallel. A and B are connected in parallel. In going to the PMOS, this parallel combination becomes a series since it is a complementing one. So that's the reason A and B are series. So if you combine both the gates of A and B terminals, so A and B transistors, A and A are combined, B and B are combined together to form A input. The input for both the PMOS as well as NMOS. Here the B is acting as input for PMOS as well as NMOS. Okay, so this is the resultant circuit of a complementary metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor for the NAND gate, and this is N-channel metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. This is for NOR gate. This is not for NAND gate. So NOR gate CMOS realization, and this is NOR gate NMOS realization. Next, in going to the mask layout. So NMOS NOR mask layout. So see here, VDD and VSS. VDD and VSS are ground potential. Both are supply rail metal, so I need to take a metal here, and that metal should be blue color. So metals completed. Next one is, this is totally ND fusion since it is an NMOS, so I have to take a ND fusion here. I am going to take a ND fusion here. So this is ND fusion, and ND fusion should be represented with green color. So this is ND fusion. After that ND fusion, it should exist two transistors. So two transistors should be connected in parallel combination here. So additional component is required. Copy. So additional diffusion I required here. Why? Because I need to connect this in parallel combination. Right. With this end diffusion is completed, and next in going to this, A and B input should be there. So to make this end diffusion as transistor, a polysilicon should cross in it, and it is acting as input A, and it is acting as input B. Right. And next a depletion MOSFET should be there. I'm going to draw that one. Just I am drawing the depletion here, and that should be, this should be represented with red color since it is a poly. Right, up to now 50% of mask layout was completed. Now we have to implant this depletion MOSFET. So a depletion should be exist there, and that should be represented with yellow color. So the same thing I am doing here. So implantation is also completed, which is showing here. So if you can increase that one, size also increase the weight. So implantation is also completed. So implantation completed, polysilicon with the depletion completed, A and B connected in parallel. Now we have to go with patterns. Sorry, contact cuts are missing here. So contact cuts. So the contact cuts should be represented with a black color box, filled black. So here contact is going to exist. Just copy, paste here, paste, paste here. Paste for the output also. So the output I require metal here. So just taking this one. With this almost we have done our NMOS NOR mask layout. So let us go through the patterns part. Text to fill, gradient, more gradients, pattern fill, pattern filling. I am filling the pattern part here. Right now come into exist. So fill the patterns. Metal, I am filling with metal mask encoding. So similarly here also metal is there. So mask encoding. So metal mask encoding. So metal mask encoding completed. And diffusion, end encoding should be there. This is end encoding. This is also end encoding. Here this is also pattern filled with end encoding. Next polysilicon, pattern should be represented with poly, poly fill here. So this is our resultant NMOS NOR mask layer. So if you wish to add inputs, we can add. Simply taking the text box here, A as input, to bold this one, copy. So where I have to place this here, I have to place this at this input. So this is A. Next, similarly add another text here with B, bold this one. So I have to place here. Simply add text here, another text here, write B here, take this one and place here. So these are both the inputs of our NOR gate A and B, and this is a depletion mode MOSFET, depletion mode MOSFET, and this is our resultant output. So if you wish to add the design rules, lambda based design rules, also we can add. So 3 lambda is the minimum width for the metal. So insert symbol lambda, close. So I am adding this, just adding this one. So just copy this, part, copy, paste wherever you want. So similarly the dimension for the ground potential also 3 lambda. Just next, just copy this one, copy, paste, and dimension for the end diffusion should be 2 lambda. Just copy this one, copy, paste, and the dimension for the polysilicon is also is 2 lambda. This is also 2 lambda. So up to this will shows the some design rules also existed here. So this is all about our two input two input NMOS NOR gate mask layout. So this is our resultant mask layout. So just try to draw two input CMOS NOR gate mask layout from your side. So in the next class we will discuss about the other forms of CMOS logics. So thank you. For reference, go through the textbook Douglas A. Pucknell, Kamran Ishragian. Thank you.